Okay, here's a little update on the mold, and got some more material in those seams. Really just trying to smooth it out, and there's quite a bit more work that actually needs to go into this mold before it's going to be ready. All right, this is the mold that we put together with some MDF wood, and this is going to be the Boston Whaler striper side console.
So yeah, we skipped the process of making a plug. We just went right directly to building a mold, and now we're working on getting these radiuses right, and hopefully by the end of the day, once we finish fairing this in, we'll be spraying some Duratec primer. And then, of course, we got to fair that in, and then possibly tomorrow we'll be spraying in some gel coat, and by the end of the day, popping a mold or pulling a console out of this mold. Everything goes right. That's pretty much it.
Now we'll be using air to pull this console out of this mold.
Yeah, I'm gonna probably make some openings for some air, and we'll go ahead and once we get this Duratec in here, we'll go ahead and get it waxed and prepped and spray it, and hopefully everything goes all right. I'll just pop right on out. A little bit of air and some elbow grease. We should get it to pop.
Sounds good. Okay, so a lot of work has been going into this mold, and we've sprayed about 3 coats of the Duratec primer in there, and we've polished it out, and now we're waxing it, and it's still moving forward, but it's been a lot of work working with the fairing compound, the Bondo material, and the radiuses, and getting those just right, and with all the spraying, sanding over and over again, just to get the mold as perfect as possible. So when we take the console out of the mold, it will need very little work. So that's the plan, so that maybe even when it comes out, it will just need, just to be kind of trimmed and ready to go in the boat. So here's just another look at the mold, and kind of what's going on with it. I know the lighting's probably not that great, but all right, we just sprayed our first coat of gel in the mold with a brand new sprayer designed for gelcoat. Had a little hiccup, but no biggie. It's looking good. mold still in good shape. There it is. There's the console. All the radiuses are straight.